This week in the frame shop we made these cool wood sculptures for Stephanie at Faulkner Design. Now they're a combination of convex and concave half circles that are mounted together, and there's a whole series of these panels that make the final sculpture. So here's a look at what it looks like fully assembled. So bring us your projects and your ideas, even if there's no picture frames involved. We can help you. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time in the frame shop.